unbox a toy delivery with me. Got these stretchy mermaid castles. These come with 2 mermaids and you pull them through the castle holes for like hand-eye coordination. They're really cute. We've got the viral pick and pop silicone pads. So all your beads are in that pad and string and you can make your own bracelet. This is the happy smiling one. We've got mini sugar balls. You get 6 mini sugar balls in this set. They're really good. We've got cotton clouds slime. These are all scented. This slime's really good. We've got squeeze cheese. We've got the sugar sausage dogs back in. These sold out last time. He's so cute and glittery and sugar filled. We've got the Fidget appliances in. Each one's different. This is the washing machine, so you press it and his washing goes round. There's an iron one here. They each do different things. And we've got the slime vending machines. These have little slimes inside. You can keep your slime in there after as well. So I'll list everything in my shop and I'll link it to this video if you've seen something you fancy.